friends, and welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Today, you're going to undecorate with me. Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Today, you're going to undecorate with me. We're gonna put Christmas away. Now I know that right now, today's December 30th, that my house probably looks like your house. It looks like this. Yeah. We've had fun. We've had cousins over and we have eaten snacks. We've had many meals. We have played games. There's been hide and go seek in the dark, card games, video games. We've had a great Christmas vacation. What we're gonna do is I'm going to collect Christmas and start putting it on my dining room table. I started a little bit the other day, so I have some stuff out here. So we're gonna gather things and put them on the table, undecorate the trees. But before I do all that, I am gonna go through my Christmas bins. They were brought back from storage. And anything that I didn't use this year, I'm gonna decide, am I keeping it or am I donating it before I throw anything back into them. So we're gonna go through those buckets first, gather things, put them on the tables, all in this area, and then we'll pack it up and the boys are gonna bring these back to storage. So I'm gonna get my apron on, so join me. If you haven't put Christmas away yet, do it with me. Are you ready? Aprons on, let's go. Okay, I have an empty box here to put things that I'm going to donate away. So let's go through, see what I can find that I didn't use this past year that we can donate.
Tell me about that little boy playing in the kindergarten. Wasn't always good to him. Fighting school, he tried to win them. But then he grew up to be a man. Took a chance, a girlfriend's hand. But then she said, you got it wrong. I'm sorry, I am not the one.
This was all the garland from that big staircase that we had from the rental last year. I think I'll use it on the outside next year, here on the stairs, and I think I'll use it on our porch. So I'll hold on to it for one more year and see what we could come up with it. If I don't, and I'll donate it.
To try and don't succeed, but I know that's how life goes. Love will come your way if you start to believe things will work out right in time. Get your mindset and you'll be just fine. And smile. Things will work out right in time. Get your mindset and you'll be just fine. Things will work out right in time. I know it's hard to walk away from all your dreams and keep on trying. Just take the bad with the good. Don't lose your hope. You haven't lost your touch.
So far I've got one box filled. Maybe I can donate more, but if not, just going through the stuff I didn't use this year, this is what I filled up. So not bad. I have stockings, big figures, a lantern, lots of stuff in there. So I got one box filled. That feels good. So I am gonna wash this Christmas mat we had by the front door. It's filthy, absolutely filthy. I'm gonna get this washed and dried and then I'll pack it. Derek's gonna be a while. He's still working before the boys go to storage. And I'll be here for a while doing all this. I think the hardest thing for me to throw away the end of the season is the gingerbread houses because the kids do such a cute job. These are the two that Shaylee made. We took pictures already of them, so we'll always have that memory. But look at this one she did. I mean, how stinking cute is this? Look at the top. So creative, so cute, but we enjoyed them. We took pictures, and now to the trash. Oh, this is the hardest part. Oh, now I've done it. Oh, it's already, oh, God, it's already sad, and I'm making it sadder. All right, almost all the Christmas decorations are on the table. We still have the decorations on both trees. I'm not gonna bring all this stuff to the table. They're here, it's only a few feet away, and we'll put all this stuff in their home. So I just was talking with Derek upstairs and I said, we're missing some bins that had a lot of the ornaments in. He goes, I left all the bins that were full, and I said, I know, the ornament bin is full. I just kind of wanted to go through them and see if there was anything more I could donate. So there's like 2 more bins that all the ornaments go in at storage. So I'm gonna have to pack away Christmas in all the bins that I do have and make it work. I think I can. I really think I can. And then we'll just have to go through those bins next year. So yeah, and which means I need to get new Ziploc bags and write their names on it of whose ornaments they are. That's the only thing. So I'm gonna have to waste some Ziploc bags for all the ornaments. Oh well, what are you gonna do? I do have a lot of Walmart bags, but oh, I hate that. I'm not the best at like packing away ornaments. I really am not. I'm just like, let's just get them in the bin. The worst thing about taking down Christmas to me is, yes, the mess and the glitter, but it's taking down the trees. That one is not my favorite. It's just, I don't know, time consuming, and it's all little things. So I'm gonna do that now so I could pack all the stuff away. I'm gonna go and get their bags with their names on them and put their ornaments in. And yeah, it was sad because none of Callie's were on the tree. She took hers. She's married now, so she gets to have her Christmas ornaments. I should have kept one. My parents have a couple of ours growing up. My mom showed me her tree on FaceTime, and I got to see a few ornaments that I remember making as a kid. It's awesome. I'm like, I'm so glad you still have those. So, all right, next is this tree here and the tree in the hall. Start collecting the ornaments. In the comments below, you tell me, what is something that you dread putting away at Christmas? Is it your trees? Is it taking down lights? What's the one thing that you hate about putting your Christmas decor away?
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this.
And I just gotta grab up there the poinsettias and all the nativities off the bookshelf. I have all the boxes ready for those to go in. We do have a new piece this year that Derek's parents gave us. If you guys remember, in the beginning of the season when I shared my decorations, I said that every year Derek's parents get us a nativity of some sort. And this was this year's. It's so pretty. The detail is like incredible. It's so pretty. And then Shaylee's primary teacher gave her this fold-out one, which I thought was so cute. Okay, I'm doing good. I had to stop a few times to do mommy things and stuff like that. Work on the kids' school schedule with tutoring and schedules and all that. So I was on the phone. I'm putting away the stuff on the kitchen table now. A few of the big nativities I have to wrap up. But, so I'm putting all the Christmas stockings away. I did get 2 new ones this year. I saw these at a party store in town. They're so cute. Shaylee doesn't like gnomes. They freak her out. If you don't know, Shaylee's our youngest, our 10-year-old. So, yeah, I thought these were cute. So these are Mommy and Daddy's stockings. Oh my gosh. I think they're adorable. So those are the 2 newer things. So I am going to pack up this table. And hopefully I will be done so I can, I'm like starting to lose steam. I'm tired. The mat is in the dryer. So I'm gonna hurry and get this done. I just wanna get this done. So, all right, time to finish. Let's finish this, let's end this. Goodbye, Christmas 2020. It was interesting. May Christmas 2021 be different, better, different. It was a good Christmas, but different. Just different in a good way.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted. And I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. promise that I will stand by you forever. And I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this.
It is done, and I have the aftermath. There is still a mess in here. So tomorrow I'm gonna take you guys along with me as I clean and put decorations back. Like, I don't even remember what I had out before Halloween. So I'm gonna have to go look at footage and see what I had out. So, and I will have that up for you on Sunday. So stay with me for a clean with me. And we're gonna put this house back together. But Christmas is done. So when the boys get back from the movies, they'll go to storage and take all that. Yes. So I'm done. I am done with the house for tonight. I could keep going, but I don't want to. I'm done. I'm gonna edit this for you. Oh, and Happy New Year. I know this is posting on New Year's Eve, so I'm wishing all of you a very Happy New Year. Let's shake off 2020, start fresh, come what may. Just so you know, I'm not gonna make a video on like my word of the year and all that, but it is more love. Everything with more love. Communication, relationships, building relationships, all of that is more love. So, all right, friends, again, thank you for joining me, and we'll see you soon. Happy New Year. Bye-bye. Welcome. Ooh, this is shaking. Nice.
That was hot, huh?
That was nice. Shh, quiet, I'm filming.